What's up, my mechanics? Today it's time to brake pad change 2015 Mini Cooper. All right, let me show you. So it's the front side. This is our front driver side, left side. So remove the wheel. Remove the wheel, and then first thing you gotta do first is remove this. This is the sensor right here. This is a sensor, right? You just pull it out just like that. Okay, pull it aside. All right. It's the sensor. It goes right here, and then remove that one over here too, because you have to replace it with the new one every time you change the brake pads. So that's it. All right. Now then we'll go remove this one right here. You remove this one right here, and then you just lift it up, and then change the brake pads. Okay. All right, my mechanics. See how I did this? I just lift it up and put the new pads in right here. See? Right here. It's a new pad. And if you got these tools right here for caliper, for the brakes, to move it, you use this one right here. Get it, man, right here. This is a good one from Amazon. All right, everything is back in place. See right there. See right here. Back in place, clip it on. Then clip it on right here. All right. And then here's the sensor. Right? Let's turn the lights. Let me move the lights so you guys can see. Yeah. Put the sensor in. We're in the groove. Okay. You hear that click? Okay. When the click is in, just like that right there. See it? Easy. All right. Now you put it back together. Put the cover back. Just like that. Put the bolts in. Put your tires in. And you're ready to rock and roll. All right, my mechanics. All right, my mechanics. Enjoy your car. Mahalo.